get rich, or cry trying? What is the reason for your hustle? You love what it is that you do, regardless what that occupation may be. And you have that end goal. We all have the end goal. We all have that thought in our head saying to ourselves, life for ourselves can be different. But what's different about your life? What is the one thing that you've done to rocket yourself forward, to promote yourself instead of waiting for the promotion? Years aged, there was only so much that we can do. When it came to education, you knew after high school, you had to go directly into college, work on those degrees, and hope one day you'll make 6 figures a year. Here we are, fast forward 2018. For the last few years, social media has expanded, has blown up, has taken the youth into being multi-millionaires when playing the game correctly. So you have individuals that have figured out social media, and then you have people that are still trying to figure out social media. Social media works for everyone, for everyone. You just have to find your voice on various platforms or a singular platform. You can pick and choose your battles along the way. You can pick and choose how you project yourself to the world, but you cannot pick and choose your audience. Your audience will grow, they will expand, they will shrink in time based on what you choose to do and what you do not do. Social media can be your friend or it can be your worst enemy. Now, what you're looking at behind me are all my food reviews, various food reviews that I've done over the years. And a lot of videos going forward right here on this very channel will have me sitting here before you, hitting you with motivation, hitting you with the object, the next big play, understanding that chess is very different from playing checkers. Now you can come into this game and play checkers all day long, and you can hope to catch that king somewhere along the way, which is the win, which is the freedom from going to your 9 to 5 every single day and working for yourselves. Or you can show patience, resilience. You can plan accordingly for the long-term win. And there is a long-term gain to be had on social media. Once you figure out your voice, what are you gonna put out to the world? You see, it's crazy because everybody wants the money that they see individuals flash, but nobody really wants to do the work. Nobody wants to put in the time. Everybody says, oh, you're doing big things. I too can do big things. You're right, you can. You can do big things. I won't be the one to sit here and tell you you cannot make it happen. What I will tell you is that it won't come overnight. Do not quit your day job. Don't make that mistake. It's a lot of hard work. It's understanding algorithms. It is collaborations. It is timing. It is titling, thumbnails, production, quality. I mean, you really have to figure the game out. And it's chess every day, all day, 365 days of the year. You have to figure it out. Now me, I'm gonna be your little ghetto guide through social media. That is what this channel will slowly become. I will continue with the fast food reviews because that is what you like to see. You'll probably see more of them on my Facebook channel, official Daym Drops, than you'll see here on YouTube, because everyone is in the fast food game on YouTube now. It is a cesspool of madness. And trust, if you don't get it here, you can get it there. You can get it everywhere, babe. But that's what growth is about. That's what it is. You lay out the foundation for what it is that you want to do. Other individuals jump on in the pool after that foundation's been laid, after the walls have been built, after that security has been fortified. And then they make it happen as well, giving you options. There was a time, early 2009, where I was your only option. And then we expanded, we grew, and it's a foodie community, foodie fam, if you will. Me, I do a lot of traveling. Ladies and gentlemen, I do a lot of traveling. That's why you don't see videos on this channel the way you used to see videos back in the day from me. Before I was banging out, a lot of videos through the course of the week. And now I'm spending more time teaching other individuals about YouTube because this is the platform in which I started, although I've expanded beyond the platform. But individuals still need help coming into YouTube, understanding how YouTube works. How will it work for them? How will it work for their channels? How will it work for their friends, their families that also want YouTube channels? So it is going to be up to you. You watching this right now, you are greatness. Let me say it to you again, just in case you don't know. Anyone can start a YouTube channel. You can sign up right now. But no, you will not make millions in 24 hours. You may have that viral hit and then you may never be able to repeat that success again. But don't come into it for the money. The money will be there and it will come when it comes. And it will grow as it grows and it will drop. As it drops, it's like a stock market. You gotta think of it as a stock market. You are part of the social media stock market. So you have to make some wise business decisions. But we'll get to that piece momentarily. It's your main man, Daym Drops. Thank you for watching this video. You can find me on Instagram at official Daym Drops because that is my main source of communicating with my peoples is directly on Instagram. So you might want to follow me if you want to get at me. Get ready for a whole new experience here on Daym Drops on this YouTube channel. Like I said, you can always see the food popping up behind me. I'll have links all in the description box below for you to go ahead and check out some of those older videos because I'm pretty sure you haven't seen all the videos a brother got on his channel, which is probably over 1,200 of them. But we're growing, baby. We're growing. We're doing big things. Again, follow me over there on Facebook. 2.8 million people rocking with your boy the long way. That would be facebook.com/official Daym Drops. If you have any questions for me, write in the comment section right now. I will be reading your questions in the comment section. Therefore, the next video, I will be answering a lot of questions. I will pop you up somewhere right here on the screen, give you the nice little breakdown from my perspective. From my perspective, everybody has their own perspective on this platform. You know, the successes, the failures, they have their own general breakdown for that. So you'll have to ask that creator. But right here, if you're watching this, you come to your main man, Daym, in the comment section below, leave your question. I'm gonna answer that thing. See you next video. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to like. Be sure to share because sharing is caring around here, baby. And be sure to comment. You know what time it is. I'm out of here. Have a good day.